Hello students, today I want to conclude this chapter. Last paragraphs we have today. In previous 2-3 video you saw how this child was enthusiastic to go to fair. On the midway, whatever he saw, things were attracting him. He loved to see them, he loved to catch them. But he was knowing the nature of his parents. As parents always scared him, denied his wills. Whatever he asked, whatever plea he made, they never gave any importance to his feelings. He saw many things in the fair, but every time he was knowing the nature, as whenever he will ask his parents to give this thing or that thing, finally they will deny while making excuse this and that. This is a good, not good for you. This is a something which you are very greedy to, always willing to have something. And when he reached near that go roundabout, he unable to control his desire, he boldly made a request as he saw the lot of people riding and laughing, enjoying themselves. And when he made bold request to Father, I want to go to this roundabout, but he didn't get his parents. Parents were lost. The child started searching them. He ran here and there, sometimes go ahead, sometimes he went back, sometimes this side, sometimes that side, sometimes he saw the people, those gathers, and this and that thing, but unable to find out his parents. He had already lost, so it was difficult for him to find out his parents. So let us see the next word going to happen. How did you get here, child? How did you come here? What is the reason? Why are you crying? Where is your parents? The man asked. He steered clear on the mass. He was there in crowd, and after just getting out the crowd, he asked this child, how did you come? The child wept more bitterly than over now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Child didn't give any clear answer, but he started shouting loudly, I want my parents, I want my father, I want my mother. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer, one by one, this man started taking him on the places from where earlier he passed through. And this time he don't have interest in these all things, whatever the things he wanted to have earlier. But this time he is only crying, I want my mother, my father, nothing else. This man took him to the snake charmer, this man took him to the flute sailor, this man took him to that flower sellers and sweetmeat sellers. Everywhere he took, where he passed while coming to the fair, but child was only crying, I want my mother, I want my father. The snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Listen to that nice music, child. He played it, but the child shouted his ears with his fingers and shouted his double-pitched tail. I want my mother, I want my father. The man took him near to the balloon, thinking the bright colors of the balloon would distract the child's attention and quieten them. Thinking that perhaps he would be able to control this child, he would be able to make him quiet, he would be able to soothe him. So he took one by one to all places to make him quiet and calm, but child was not ready to listen him. He was shouting, I want my mother, I want my father. Only those mother and father who denied the all plea, all request of the child to take the things, to bring the things, to buy the things. And this time child is really obedient child. He wants his mother and his father only. Things are not very important for him this time. Okay, he took him to the balloons and then, would you like to rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. The like child turned his eyes from the flying balloon and just sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. He was not interested in balloons. He was not interested in snake charmer's music. He was not interested to go on roundabout. Even he was not interested to have flowers or the sweet meat. He was only interested to have his father and mother. Things were not very important for him. Only his father and mother. The man, still trying to make this child happy, bore him to the gate where that flower seller said, look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like the garland to put round your neck? The child turned his nose away from the basket and retreated. His sob retreated again. He just was beeping loudly, not ready to listen the man's request, who was trying to make him quiet. He was want to please him, but he still, I want my mother, I want my father. Thinking to the humor his disconsole changed by the gift of sweet, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. What sweet would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my father, I want my mother. So, whatever the thing that man offered, always this child turned his face from that thing and started sobbing, started crying, started shouting, I want my father, I want my mother, nothing else. He didn't want to have these things which earlier he loved to have. Only this time he wants his father, his mother, and that is the. So sometimes parents still careless. They don't have a sympathy with the desires of the children. I don't think that every desires can be fulfilled, but all desires cannot be denied. Sometimes parents should be just reliable to know that the need of children and try to fulfill. So this is the sometimes due to the negligence of parents. This and that reason, whatever we have, large number of children always getting lost here and there, and I don't have the data, but these are the common happening taking place everywhere in our country. So we must be serious. Let us see some questions there. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? That is, you know very well that he sees toys, balloons, garland, gulmohar displayed in the shops. He lags behind because these things fascinate him, attracted him. So this way that he lagged behind. In the fair he wants many things. What are they? And why does he move on without waiting for an answer? This is clear that he was knowing the nature of his parents. The boy wants to buy barfi, flowers, balloon, etc. But he moves on without waiting for answer because he knows that his parents will not buy them for him. This already things are discussed in whatever video I have loaded. Everything I think concept will be clear in your mind. So these answers will be easy for you to write. See that when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and the insecurity been described? He was also feeling insecure. No one was there in that fair to take care of him. And you can realize the situation when father and mother of any child lost. So what will be the situation there? We can understand. There was a roundabout in the fair. The boy watched it and wanted to go on the roundabout. He requested his parents. There was no reply. When he asked boldly his parents to go to roundabout, but he didn't get any answer. And when he turned to look at his parents, he found that he had lost his way. His parents were not with him, and he cried. Fear, tear rolled down from his eyes. He started feeling insecure. So students, this much time I have today. In next video I will again meet with you. Thank you very much.